Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G13, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's press power key and volume up, select power off, and once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up again. Now this time you actually want to hold, and this will take us to boot mode. Once you see this, well, any kind of text on the screen, immediately let go of the keys, and then using volume keys, navigate to the first option at the very top and confirm it with power key. Now this option is called recovery mode. Now before we get to recovery mode, we will first get the Android with no command, and to get past this you're gonna hold power key and press volume up once, and there we are. So in recovery mode, again, you will use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to previous step. We have enter fastboot mode, which takes us to, well, fastboot mode. Enter apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data, mount system, view logs, run test, and power off the device. So those are all the options. Now I'm gonna stick with the first one, reboot system now, confirm it, just so I can get back to Android.
Hello, Moto.
And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.